Are you thinking about traveling alone, or is it something you already are doing? Solo travel offers a unique opportunity to explore the world at your own pace, to dive deep into cultures and experiences without compromise. It's a journey of self-discovery, of unforgettable experiences, and of personal growth. But as thrilling and enriching as it can be, solo travel also poses its own set of challenges. It requires careful planning, a dash of courage, and a good dose of adaptability. From navigating unfamiliar cities, to understanding cultural norms, to staying safe and connected, solo travel is a skill that can be honed with experience and knowledge. But don't worry, we've got you covered. If you've ever considered solo travel, or have tried it and faced challenges, stick around as we uncover the 15 essential rules for successful solo travel. Let's navigate this thrilling journey together. But first, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. The first 3 rules are all about preparation and communication. Stepping into the unknown is one of the thrilling aspects of solo travel, but it doesn't mean you should go in completely blind. That's where our first rule comes in. Research your destination. Understanding the lay of the land can enrich your experience and keep you safe. Picture this. You're planning a trip to the vibrant city of Barcelona. You'd want to know about the bustling La Rambla street, wouldn't you? And while you're at it, knowing where the local hospital is or what the local emergency number is can be a real lifesaver in a pinch. Now on to rule 2. Always inform someone of your itinerary. It could be a friend, a family member, or even a neighbor you are close to. Let's say you're exploring the Grand Canyon's breathtaking trails. If you were to twist an ankle or get lost, having someone who knows your whereabouts could make all the difference. It's not about expecting the worst, it's just important to be prepared. Finally, the third rule, stay connected. In this digital age, it's easier than ever to keep in touch, no matter where in the world you are. Imagine being in the heart of Tokyo, navigating the labyrinth of the Tsukiji fish market. With a working phone in your hand, you can easily translate signs, find directions, or even call for help if needed. A reliable connection can be your lifeline when you're out there on your own. Moving on to rules 4 through 6, we're now going to focus on how to navigate your travels. First up, trust your instincts. When you're out there exploring the world on your own, your instincts become your best friend. They are the voice in your head that tells you when something feels off or when an opportunity is too good to miss. It's this inner compass that will guide you through unfamiliar territories, helping you make decisions that align with your comfort, safety, and overall enjoyment. So, listen to that gut feeling. It's your secret weapon in the world of solo travel. Next, let's discuss packing. The mantra here is pack light, pack smart. The idea of bringing your entire wardrobe might seem tempting, but remember, every item you pack is an item you'll have to carry. Prioritize essentials and versatile pieces that can work in multiple outfits or weather conditions. Also, consider investing in travel-friendly items like compression bags or multi-purpose tools. Packing light not only saves you from backaches, but also leaves room for treasures you might find along your journey. Finally, we come to the importance of learning basic local phrases. This can be as simple as hello, thank you, and where's the bathroom? Not only does this display respect for the culture you're immersing yourself in, but it also opens doors to more authentic interactions. Locals appreciate the effort, and it can lead to unique experiences that you wouldn't find in any guidebook. Plus, it's a fun way to expand your linguistic horizons. The next set of rules are about making smart choices and being aware. Let's dive right in. Choosing your accommodations wisely is not just about comfort, but also about safety and convenience. Consider factors like location, accessibility, and security. Look for accommodations that are centrally located, near main attractions or transportation hubs. This will not only save you time, but also ensure you're in a well-trafficked and likely safer area. Now, let's talk about cultural norms. Every place has its own unique set of customs and traditions, and it's important to respect them. Do a bit of research on local etiquette, dress codes, tipping practices, and other cultural nuances. This will not only help you avoid any mistakes, but it will also earn you respect from the locals. Keeping essentials in a day pack is another key rule. You never know when you'll need a band-aid, a snack, or a copy of your passport. Having these items readily available can save you from unnecessary stress. Plus, it means you're always ready for a spontaneous adventure. Last but not least, stay aware of your surroundings. While it's important to soak in the sights and experiences, it's equally important to be mindful of what's happening around you. Keep an eye on your belongings, be aware of local scams, and avoid isolated areas, especially at night. Our final set of rules are all about planning, yet embracing the unexpected. Firstly, let's talk about your safety plan. It's essential to have a plan in place should anything unexpected occur. This could be a lost passport, a medical emergency, or even just missing the last bus back to your accommodation. Having a plan doesn't necessarily mean having a detailed step-by-step guide for every eventuality. Rather, it means being aware of your options, knowing key emergency numbers, and having backup funds or insurance in case of unforeseen expenses. Next is budgeting. Traveling alone can sometimes be costlier with single occupancy rates and no one to share expenses with. But don't let this deter you. There are plenty of ways to make your money go further, from choosing budget-friendly accommodations, eating at local markets, to taking advantage of free or low-cost attractions. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but the experiences you gain. Yes, planning and budgeting are important, but don't forget to embrace spontaneity. Some of the best experiences come from those unplanned moments: the impromptu street concert, the last-minute decision to hike that hill for sunrise, the unexpected friendships formed in a hostel common room. So, leave some room in your itinerary for the unexpected. Speaking of moments, remember to capture them, but also be present. Lastly, don't forget to interact with the locals. They can provide invaluable insights, recommend hidden gems, and enrich your understanding of their culture. Plus, you might just make some lifelong friends along the way. Let's quickly recap the top 15 rules for solo travel. First, always research your destination and inform someone of your itinerary. Stay connected, but also trust your instincts. Pack light and smart, and don't forget to learn some basic local phrases. Choose your accommodations wisely. Be mindful of cultural norms and keep essentials in a day pack. Always stay aware of your surroundings and have a safety plan in place. Budget wisely, but don't forget to embrace spontaneity. Capture moments, but make sure to also be present. And lastly, don't shy away from connecting with locals. Remember, solo travel isn't just about the destination, it's about the enriching journey and the unforgettable experiences. If these solo travel rules resonate with you, subscribe to our channel for more travel wisdom. Hit the like button if you're ready to embark on solo adventures armed with confidence. And share your own solo travel rules or any additional tips we may have missed in the comments below.